Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the background color to white here in Drawyo. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Drawyo, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Okay, so changing the background color in Drawyo into white, it's very easy. You just have to follow these simple steps. Now, as you can see, I am using the dark mode in Drawyo. So for you to be able to revert it back to the light default in Drawyo, you might want to go to the view option. And then hover to the extras. Go to the appearance. You see you have three options here. Light, which is what will give you the white background. All right, so it's very easy. Now, in terms of the diagram though, for example, we're going to create a diagram here. I'm gonna making a flowchart, for example, this diagram. You would notice that the diagram has different colors, right? So you can choose from any of the following. And if you wanted to add text inside of it, for example, I'm going to be putting a text here. I'm going to drag these into the text. I'm going to type in a text here. Press enter. For example, I'm going to add a text inside of it. And if you wanted to change this into white, all I have to do is click the style section, make it into white. Similarly to the pen text here, you have an option to arrange that as well. All right. Go to the style and choose the background color into white. If you choose the background color into black, you would notice that you have this option. All right. So essentially, that's the easiest way for you to change the background color, choosing into white. Now, if you wanted to export settings for the white background, go to the file section, go to the export. For example, we're going to export it as a PNG or PDF. You have an option here. Let's go to the export as PNG, because here you see you can choose from any of the following background. You can choose for a dark or a light background, which covers the white background when you export the file going into the PNG. Alternatively, you can also do that in the PDF, I guess. If you go to the export button and the PDF, you have that as well. So just choose the transparent background, and this will save the exported file with a white background instead of transparent. All right, and thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.